Hi everyone, we are back with Asher today because we're doing a sweet test of this strawberry cake that we're trying. I have another strawberry cake recipe on this channel, but I wanted to try to make it redder, which I did not succeed at. And I wanted to try a different type of frosting. This is a stabilized whipped cream frosting. So it's the first time that I'm trying this kind, so we'll give it a go and see what we like. So Asher's gonna taste test with me since it's a sweet.
All right.
That's yours. So let's give it a go.
It's probably gonna topple over, but I'm gonna try for it not to
That's
topple
okay.
over.
It's alright if it does. It's very strawberry. What do you think? Hope they can't see it. Let me move up a little bit. Asher's taller than I am now.
Nice.
You like this one?
Yeah, it's real good.
A do again?
Definitely.
Definitely a do again. Okay. Steve, what do you think? Have you taken a bite yet? Oh, take a bite and let us know, and we'll let the viewers know if you like it too.
It toppled.
It's okay. You like the frosting?
Yeah, I really like the frosting.
It's not too sweet this time,
Yeah,
right?
it's good.
You like it? Okay. Steve says it's good too.
Nice.
So 2 thumbs up all around. The frosting I like, although it's still a little bit, like it's not super firm. So if you like a super firm frosting, this one is not the right one. I'm going to stick this, I'm going to store it in the fridge and see if it does any better, like if it sets up a little bit tomorrow. But the flavor of the frosting, it's not too sweet. I often find frostings in general to be kind of sickly sweet, almost too much. This is not quite like that. It uses the date sugar, and then it has some arrowroot to kind of firm up the texture of it. So anyway, I hope you guys try this cake, and I hope that you like it as much as we do, and we'll just see it in the next video. Thanks everybody.